My dear sisters and brothers, all of us are preparing for the solemn exposition of the sacred relics of St. Francis Xavier. I wish to present before you three things connected with the exposition. The first one is the need of volunteers. Many of you have been giving your services to the Basilica every year during the novena and the feast. If anyone wishes to give your services to the Basilica, please give your name to Father Patricio, the rector of the Basilica. We also need volunteers at the cathedral where the sacred relics will be kept. If you want to be a volunteer at the cathedral, kindly fill a Google form that is uploaded on the Archdiocesan website. You can also contact your parish priest and fill in the form with him. Secondly, my dear friends, if you wish to be a proclaimer of the Word of God during the exposition days, kindly give your name to your respective parish priest. The last date to give your name is 30th of August. And thirdly, my dear friends, if anyone wishes to use the facility of a wheelchair during the exposition time to go for the veneration of the sacred relics, kindly give your name to your respective parish priest. Passes for the sick and for the disabled will be distributed through the respective parishes. We thank you for all your collaboration, and through the intercession of St. Francis Xavier, may this exposition be a fruitful experience for all of us. Thank you, and may God bless you.